Hi, this is meteorologist Steve Pelletier, and I'm the weatherman. Thanks for checking into the weathermanpod.com on your Wednesday. It is the 11th day of the month of September 2024. Taking a look first at Hurricane Francine. Francine is a hurricane located to the southwest of the Louisiana coast. At 10 p.m. last evening, we saw the center of Hurricane Francine located at 26.4 north, longitude 94.3 west. And Francine is moving towards the northeast at around 10 miles per hour. A faster northeastward motion is likely as it continues throughout the daytime today. And the forecast track, Francine is anticipated to make landfall in Louisiana on Wednesday afternoon or Wednesday evening. Now, after landfall, the center is expected to move northward into Mississippi Wednesday night and then become a tropical depression and meander across the southeastern states, Tennessee Valley and the southeastern states over the next several days. Maximum sustained winds are near 75 miles per hour with higher gusts. And additional strengthening is a possibility through Wednesday morning, through this morning, and it was continued to weaken quickly once it makes land later in the day on Wednesday and Wednesday night. So right now, Category 1 hurricane moving towards the northeast, towards the Louisiana Gulf Coast, and it will move overland during Wednesday evening and on Thursday as well. Elsewhere across the nation, at this point, what we're seeing is just great weather. High pressure is the main feature, mid-Atlantic and the northeast. Forecast for the northeast from D.C. all the way up to the Boston area, calling for fair, dry weather right through this upcoming weekend. It'll be sunny today, highs reaching 80 to 85, clear at night, mid-50s. Thursday, sunshine, also about 80 to 85. By Friday, mid to upper 80s, especially in the D.C., Baltimore area, could be quite warm. New York City up to about 84. 86 degrees expected for Saturday and Sunday both days. A little bit cooler in the upper 70s up in the Boston area with a little bit of a wind out of the east there. So dry conditions are expected right up through Tuesday. For aviation interest, if you are traveling by airline and looking at the hubs across the nation on this Wednesday, we see that the Atlanta area is doing pretty good. Going into Louisiana, New Orleans, probably going to be some delays also around much of the Gulf Coast of Alabama, Mississippi, and West Florida will be under the influence of those thunderstorms. So Tallahassee, Pensacola, those places most likely will be under hurricane watches and warnings over the next 24 hours, so some delays into there. But no problems going into Atlanta just yet. Eventually, they'll get some of the rain shield from the system when it becomes tropical depression over the central or southern Mississippi River Valley. Charlotte's looking good. Chicago, New York, of course, Newark, and no problems in those places, weather-wise at least. Boston looking pretty good. Dallas-Fort Worth also missing the storm, as is Houston, although Houston probably will get some showers and residual thunderstorms from the hurricane. And up in the Pacific Northwest, finally some low pressures moving out of the Pacific Northwest. Coastal sections of Washington and Oregon will be under rainy weather, and that will be spinning into the central and northern Rockies, into Idaho and southern Canada over the next several days. So weather-wise, we're looking pretty good across the northeast, but watching Hurricane Francine as it moves towards the coast of Louisiana, and we'll be making landfall a little bit later on today. I'm meteorologist Steve Pelletier, and I'm the weatherman. Hope you have a great day today. Talk to you first thing on Thursday. Take care.